Hello guys, my name is Subham Singh. I welcome you all in Education Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to discuss interaction with IPS Provisioner by PM Modi. So let's start this topic by defining the word provisioners. What do you mean by the word provisioners? Provisioner means a person who is serving a provisionary or trial period in a job to which they are newly appointed. It means that the person means all IPS provisioners were completed their training and they were going to be appointed in their particular sector or the different parts of our country in the 28 states. Speaking on the occasion, the PM said he regularly interacts with young IPS officers who have passed out from the academy, but this year due to the coronavirus, he is unable to meet them. But I am sure that during my tenure, I will surely meet you at some point, he added. PM Modi said that he will meet all of the IPS officers once in his tenure. So, this was the starting of PM Modi's speech. And this was the starting line. He started his speech by wishing the provisioners a very successful training. He said it's very important the provisioners should be proud of their uniform instead of flexing power of it. It means that he also told that they must be proud of their uniform, never lose the respect for your khaki uniform. This is a very big line for any IPS officers. The human face of the khaki uniform has been engraved in the public memory due to the good work done by police, especially during COVID-19 period. We all know that many police persons, especially the police who catch the person who was not able to come in the COVID-19 situation, means he was not able to. He was very terrified of the police. He was very terrified of the hospitals that he will be killed or he will die due to the COVID-19. The police played a very good role in that, and I think he must appreciate the work of police person, because police have also felt a very heavy threat due to that. They also come in approach of COVID-19. So that's the beginning of the speech of PM Modi. PM Modi also told that till now you were the provisioner, you were the trainer or training only, you were in the training period only, but the situation is changed overnight. When you will step out from the academy, you will be transferred to your particular job location, and there your impression will be first impression will be last impression. This is a very big line, that your first impression will be your last. It means that if the police impression is very good, then I think the people have no doubt that they will approach to the police person, they will tell their problems and they will get the solution also. So that's the first impression is the last impression. We should note this point in every situation of life. PM Modi advised the provisioner to develop the skill to identify the chaff out of the grain. It means that you must identify the chaff out of grain. He asked them not to lock their ears but to able to filter one things they hear. They do not put locks on your ear but place a filter instead. Once they will be filtered, things go in your brain. It will help you sift garbage and keep your heart clean. So I would like to say that PM told the IPS officer that you must keep your head or ear in a very well manner, that you can get the news in filtered way, so that you can do whatever the need of the people at that time. And I would like to say that chaff out of grain, it means that the person who has not done any guilty, like the person means जो लोग भी crime नहीं किए हैं और उन लोग को पीसा जाना नहीं चाहिए. This is the Indian law, this is the Indian police, this is the work of Indian police, that the person who have not done any crime, he must not feel guilty, and that's the job of police person. Do not put locks on ear but place a filter instead. It means that hear the news but take action according to you only. It means that सबका सुनो but खुद का अपने दिमाग से करो, सोच समझ के करो, because the at the time you are giving guilty to a particular person who have not done the crime, you are doing a very wrong thing at that time, and you will be punished for that. So that's the job of the police. PM Modi also showed the human side of the police. Like we all know that he also told that the police, the people of our country have seen the human side of the police during COVID-19 pandemic. The way police approach to the public, the way police catch the person who were in the COVID situation, who were positive. So I would like to say that he also told that winning the heart of the people through compassion rather than the controlling them through fear. It means that अब भी हम लोग जानते हैं कि बहुत लोग पुलिस के सामने जाने से ही डरते हैं, बट ही टोल्ड दैट विनिंग द हार्ट ऑफ द पीपल, इट मीन्स दैट यू मस्ट बी अट्रैक्ट, मीन्स आपको उनसे घुलना होगा, उनसे मिलना होगा, देन ओनली यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर न्यूज़. इट विल हेल्प इन योर वर्क ऑल्सो, इट विल हेल्प इन योर लाइफ ऑल्सो. लाइक इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर इन एनी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, लेट्स गेट अट्रैक्टेड विद देम. नॉट ओनली दैट, आपको उनसे घुलना होगा, आपको उस एरिया के बारे में जानना होगा, आपसे उनसे बात करना होगा, अच्छी तरीके से पेश आना होगा, देन ओनली यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट. Prime Minister also told the provisioner to get help from the artificial intelligence. It means that use technology. We are living in the 21st century. At now, in this time, if we are not utilizing the use of technology, it is a very bad thing. So if you are right now, if you are going anywhere, let's judge the situation very well. They get a data of that. And he also told that he also termed information available on social media as an asset. It means that if you are going to a particular situation, it means that if that area is not good, that is if the area is of terrorist or many terrorist activity has happened in that particular area, means you must get the ground level from intelligence inputs. It means that you must get some intelligence before approaching to that particular area, then only you will be more safer. You can do your job wisely, and you can catch the particular criminal or those person who have done particular types of crime or anything in a very good manner. He also told that in the last few years, the way SDRF and NDRF have performed during the disaster and has brought about a new recognition to the police service. Here to the organized NDRF group in the prospective areas and help people during natural calamity. He stressed never to underestimate their training. He has to come out of the mindset that training is a punishment posting. That I would like to say that he also appreciated the work of NDRF and SDRF, because we all know that at the natural calamity time, whenever any calamity happens like flood, earthquake or any types of calamity, then only the people of NDRF and SDRF start saving the life of the people, because their job is very beautiful. This is a work for the country, and I would like to say that never underestimate the NDRF and SDRF of our country, because they are I think that they are the second hand of the God. He also told to the provisioner about the mission Karm Yogi that he is bringing he has launched 2 days ago, and is bringing for skill training to the person who are rightly in the civil job. It means not only civil job, means all the job they are doing, means government job, the all job person. And he also told that it will help in mapping and training the talent. They would help placing the right person in the right role. It means that if a person is performing any role, then he must be a right person in that particular role. It means if you are a doctor, then you must to do the job of doctor only. If you are doing a job of a police person, then you will be not that much enough, or you can do the job if you have got particular training, but I think if you are doing a job of a doctor, then it will be good for you. He also told that when you are getting transferred in a particular area, meet some person like a teacher or someone whose advice you value. So I think that this is in police person, this is a for IPS, the job is very much stressed. And he also told that yours is a profession where the factor of encountering something unexpected is very high, and you all must be alert and prepared for this. There is a higher degree of stress, and which is and which is why it is important to keep speaking with you near and dear ones. It means that if you have a stress, if you speak your means if you tell your stress to the other person, then your stress will be low. So I would like to say that PM Modi advised them to keep their stress low, then only they can perform their duty very well, they can perform their duty in very wise manner. So I would like to say that जहाँ भी जाएं कृपया, he told that अपने बड़े बुजुर्गों से सहायता ले. Those person who think that he is a type of teacher, he can help you. It means share your thoughts with them. He also told the importance of fitness to the police person. He said that fitness developed during training has to be maintained. If you will be fit, then the companions around you will also be fit. They will be inspired to see you. I think that the fitness matters a lot in IPS officer, because we all know that whenever we see an IPS officer, we think that they are the supreme police officers, and if they are fit, I think we will get more attracted. We will think that he is more fit, and if we see that they are more fit, then I think that there will be a good impression in the public. PM urged to keep in mind the verse of Gita that people follow the examples set by great ones. Yata yata acharit sreshta tata tata evam itra jana sa yata pramnayam kurte loka tata anuvartate. It means that this is a line of Gita. PM told to the IPS provisioners to keep this in their mind, and I think that if you are keeping this type of believing in God, keeping these things in the mind, I think that nobody can harm you. And he also told to the police provisioners that stay alert, and if you are doing their job in a very in a free stress manner, then you will be more conscious, you will be more free from your stress. And I think it's a very good thing PM advice to the IPS provisioners. At last, I would like to say that PM wished a very good tenure for all the IPS officers and told that stay fit, stay alerted, and stay conscious. If they will perform their duty in a very well manner, they will be proud of themselves, they will be proud of the khaki. Never lose hope in khaki, and if you are wearing this uniform, then wear it proudly. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is my daily press release video which will come 6:30 in the morning.